One of the biggest health disruptors in modern food isn't sugar, isn't carbs, isn't even processed food itself. It's the oil everything is cooked in. The oil in your chips, your salad dressing, your plant-based milk, your restaurant food, even the sugar-free labeled snacks. Today we're talking about seed oils, what they are, why they're everywhere, why your body may not recognize them as food, and most importantly, what to use instead so you don't feel overwhelmed or deprived. Because there are better options. You don't have to live on boiled vegetables to be healthy. But first, I need to show you the bad news. Seed oils are industrial oils extracted from seeds like canola, rapeseed, soybean, corn, sunflower, safflower, cottonseed, grapeseed. Here's the wild part. These oils did not exist in the human diet for most of history. You cannot squeeze a sunflower seed in your kitchen and get oil. These oils require industrial machinery, high heat, chemical solvents, and refining processes. Yet today, they make up the majority of fat consumed in the modern world. Why? Because they're cheap, shelf-stable, highly profitable, and easy to mass produce. Not because they have nutrients for us. Seed oils entered the food system in the early 1900s, originally as industrial lubricants and machine oils. Cottonseed oil, which is commonly used today, was a waste product of the textile industry. Instead of throwing it away, it would be reused. The oil gets bleached, deodorized, and sold as food. In 1911, Procter & Gamble introduced Crisco, a hydrogenated cottonseed oil. Then came World War shortages, anti-fat campaigns, marketing labeling animal fats as dangerous, the rise of margarine and vegetable oils. By the 1950s to 1970s, seed oils became more popular, replacing butter, lard, and tallow in American kitchens. By the 2000s, soybean oil became the largest source of calories from fat in the US. Today, seed oils make up approximately 20 to 30% of total calorie intake for many Americans through processed foods. Chronic illness such as heart disease, type 2 diabetes, and obesity rates all tripled in negatively affecting health rates. Let's break this down one extreme omega-6 overload. Seed oils are extremely high in omega-6 fatty acids. Omega-6 isn't the issue. The problem is balance. These oils are containing 10 to 25 times more omega-6 than omega-3, which can lead to chronic inflammation, joint pain, skin issues, hormonal imbalance. What else do they do? 2. They oxidize easily, even before you eat them. Seed oils are highly unstable. They oxidize during processing, during storage, during cooking, inside your body. Oxidized fats equal cellular stress. Your mitochondria, the energy centers of your cells, can't thrive if they are overwhelmed with these chemicals. 3. High heat cooking turns them toxic. Seed oils are commonly used for frying and high heat cooking, but when heated, they create aldehydes, lipid peroxides, inflammatory byproducts. These compounds damage gut lining, blood vessels, cellular membranes. Your body gets worn at an accelerated rate, especially if consumed on a regular basis. 4. They disrupt hormones and metabolism. Your hormones are made from fats. When those fats are damaged or inflammatory, hormone signaling suffers. This can contribute to insulin resistance, thyroid issues, estrogen dominance, difficulty losing weight. This isn't about willpower, it's about DNA. 5. They're everywhere, even in health foods. This might be the trickiest part in American food packaging. Seed oils hide in protein bars, oat milk, almond milk, vegan products, salad dressings. You can be eating what is labeled clean and still consuming these oils daily. Now, this is not about guilt. The system was designed this way. The good news? With knowing, we can make alternative choices for our needs. Let's talk about solutions. Here's where the great news comes in. There's so many healthy and nutritious alternatives for enhancing food. 1. Olive oil. High in antioxidants, stable at low heat, great for dressings and light cooking. Look for cold-pressed, stored in dark glass, extra virgin organic. 2. Avocado oil. Avocado oil is high in monounsaturated fats, much more heat stable, neutral tasting, perfect for sautéing and roasting. 3. Coconut oil. Coconut oil is highly saturated, resistant to oxidation, great for baking and cooking. Coconut oil actually promotes fat burning. The MCTs in the oil increases the number of calories your body burns. 4. Traditional animal fats. Grass-fed, butter, ghee, tallow. These fats were used for thousands of years. They're stable, nourishing, and recognizable to the human body. You don't need much, just better quality. You don't need to throw everything away today. Start with, replace seed oils, read ingredient labels, add more whole foods to your diet, cook at home when possible. If this video helped you see the food industry differently, good, because we have to take our health into our own hands. Welcome to Long Life Path. This channel is about truth over trends. We aim to intertwine ancient knowledge and modern awareness. The more informed we all are, we strive for vital health for our lifeline. Check the description for all the sources, food lists, and reference studies mentioned today. If you learned something new, like this video and click subscribe for future deep dives on science, health, and modern strategies for optimal living. Because in a world of invisible forces, your best defense is knowledge in action. If you enjoyed this, like and subscribe to Long Life Path. Stay tuned for more stories. Long Life Path. Peace.